In time, my face was darker than my body, that people started telling me that, oh, your face is darker than your body, why your body is brighter than your face. And I was feeling so insecure about it. But these few products that I'm about to mention helped me to have a uniform skin. There was no form of discoloration anymore on my body. Like my face was having the same color with my body. And now, as you can see, I'm very much glowing. I have a glowing skin. So hi loves, for those of you watching this video, my name is Pretty Sunshine and I'm a new YouTuber. Yes, so guys, please do subscribe to my channel. Let's take this channel to 1,000 subscribers, and do watch this video to the very end in order for you to see how I was able to achieve this complexion you're seeing on your screen. So if you have a discoloration, if your face is darker than your body, don't worry, come close, let's go. So let's ride into the journey of how I achieved that from head to toe. The first step that I took was that I started double cleansing my face. Yes, so before I was not double cleansing, I only cleansed and I don't even cleanse properly. So I started double cleansing my face. That is because I have an oily skin. So this is strictly for those that have an oily skin. Like what I did is because I have an oily skin. So if you have a dry skin, please comment that you have a dry skin. There are so many routines that can help you if you have a dry skin. But this is for oily skin. So I started double cleansing. I started removing the dirt from my face, which helped a lot because at least my face was able to breathe. Because before, it was not breathing. There was so much clogged pores and I was breaking out a whole lot. So I never know what I wanted to face at that point in time. And I just felt like, let me use any product that I wanted to use. So double cleansing was the first thing that I did, and it helped me. So I was using one which was an active. I'm using the salicylic acid 2 to 3 times, which I'm currently still using because of the breakouts I tend to get either during my periods or due to stress. So I use the salicylic acid and I also use the tea tree as a normal face wash. So I double cleansed 2 times, like twice. Whenever I want to cleanse my face, it's gonna be twice. Now the second product that helped me that I really loved, like, you know when somebody loves something, I have fallen in love with this product, which is the Dr. Rachel brightening face toner that comes alongside with niacinamide. Nobody told me that this face toner was good. Like when something is good, it's good. This face toner was able to bring out that glow that was hiding. It was able to get rid of textures like this on the screen from my face, and it's currently fighting my hyperpigmentation for me, because hyperpigmentation or dark spot is one of the things that is so hard, so difficult to get rid of if you want to do it the right way. So this particular product helped me. What I do pour it a little bit, then kind of massage it on my face, and it leaves me feeling glowy. My face are all is like my face will just be glowing. Ah, it's so good. So if you're oily skin, try and see if you can get either a niacinamide product, like any niacinamide product. You will love your skin. Now the third thing I was using a vitamin C face serum at this point in time. So I got the vitamin C face serum, which is the either the pie, you can go for pie, you can go for Darcel, you can go for Dr. Russell, anyone that suits you best and according to your pocket. And I was using it. It was not bad though. The pie one was not bad. But one thing I noticed was that it was giving me what I want. It was brightening out my skin. Like my skin was coming out. People were now saying, wow, your skin is glowing, your face is glowing. What's the secret? That was the secret. And what I used, the moisturizer that I tend to use, this was where we have a problem. The moisturizers in the market are mostly meant for people with normal skin, people with dry skin. You hardly hear when they talk about moisturizers for like specifically for oily skin, and it's so hard to get and so expensive. So at that point I was confused. I used so many, like I used so many moisturizers, but it was not giving me. Is that a moisturizer is breaking me out or is making me darker? So I never know what I wanted to do. I used Kojic Sand face cream. It did not work. That one was making me to break out. I used the Nivea Even Tone. They said that one was strictly for those that have combination skin. But I have an oily skin. So what am I going to use? Like, what am I going to use? The Neutrogena that they suggested was not close to me. So I had to use, I'm currently using the Pamas faded cream that targets dark spots, and they wrote it for all skin types. So that is what I'm using. But guys, if I have any further complaint, or if I observe any damage on my skin, I'll still let you guys know. But for now, it's been good, and my dark spots are actually trying to fade away. So it's working. And that has helped me to achieve a brightening skin. And I never forgot to put on a sunscreen. Before, I was not wearing a sunscreen, and I was always coming in contact with the sun 247, which was no good at all. So I was not using a sunscreen. I'm using the Dr. Russell sunscreen. To some people, it's going to make them dark, but for me, I had to complete things that will brighten up my skin. So the Dr. Russell is actually working for me. It doesn't leave a white cast on my face. So this product helped me achieve a glowing skin on my face. Like, my face is all bright. I've safely brightened up my face. And as for my body, there's one there's one magic that I used, which is using a body oil after applying a body moisturizer. So after applying my body cream, I blend everything up with a brightening body oil, and whenever I come out and I kiss the sun, or the sun kiss me, it's a banger. Like, my skin really now, I can see now, but my skin is actually glowing, despite the fact that I do break out a whole lot because I'm acne prone. But still yet, I can say now that I'm achieving a healthy glowing skin. So guys, if you want to know more, just comment on the comment section which body lotion you're doing, and if you want a review, you can still tell me. But for now, bye.